When you're chatting with your fans,
Yes.
what are they looking forward to?
Well, they're looking forward to my big fat, of course.
All right, hey. Oh my God, you look so fabulous. Look at
Thank you. You know what? I'm doing like Charo tonight. Like it's one of those things where the Miami heat like just makes your hair go flat. So I kind of did the pendulum a little bit the other way. So I know some of you youngins don't know who Charo is, but Latin superstar. I'm a white, so in Miami. So you know, doing a little bit of Barbara Eden and Charo. For those of you that don't know, you don't know, you can Google it.
You better know. You better know. What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Work.
Work.
Yes.
Yeah, you're a workaholic.
I
You
am a
direct,
workaholic.
you shoot, you do it all.
I do it everything. Yes, exactly. So no, I would definitely work.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
What about you? What would you do?
Me, an extra 2 hours. I would probably create. Yeah, I would create.
Probably work.
Creating is working
when
for us.
you love your job, you're just willing to do more and more of it.
It's true.
Yeah, exactly,
It's so
exactly.
True. It's so true. And when you're chatting with your fans,
Yes.
what are they looking forward to?
Well, they're looking forward to my big fat, of course.
What do you mean?
Well, you know, as the pioneer. My fans, they want to bend over. I do a lot of scolding. I do a lot of, you know, all kinds of like sissification.
Sissification.
Yes, you know, like that Yo-Yo Christy Noam, her husband.
Okay.
Yeah. He made it look bad for everybody that's in that fetish. Not everybody is like him. But yes, I mean, I have a Bimbo Barbie room in my house just so I can do sissification.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Sissification. You know, you don't always hear sissification,
You
but the way it
do.
rolls off your tongue, it
Well,
just.
you know what? Like I do bimbofication, so it's like I'm the head mistress bimbo teaching sissification.
Oh, sensation. Well, thank you so much.
So bimbofication, sissification, bimbofication, sissification, exactly.
Peckification. Okay.
And then of course I also am mommy to everybody
You're
as
mommy,
well.
yeah.
So I do step mommy and then be fetish. So including me.
Oh,
Yes,
including
exactly.
her. Yes. It's cool. So, hey, and the reason I was asking you, because
What?
I'm brought to you by Super Creator
Okay.
here.
Oh, of course.
So, yeah.
I'm
they
very
do-
familiar with
Oh,
them.
you do?
Of course,
Okay.
yes.
Oh, wow.
They're a great management tool.
Oh, my God. That's amazing. Well, thank
Well,
you.
you know, when you've got to work really hard, you do want tools that are going to make the job a little bit easier. So they help like take your fans and categorize them, let you know when they're online, how much they've spent, all those kind of things to make sure that you're focused on the right fans at the right time.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know all the you know all the great tools.
That's
You're
why I'm a
pro.
workaholic. I better the right tools if I'm a workaholic is working.
Yeah, you be working. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, boo.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Where do you want people to find you?
DJ Britstar, baby.
Find her. And I'm Javi Mack with Kiss and Tell with
Javi
Javi
Mack.
Mack. Thanks for watching. Javi!